Hi guys, very good morning. So now moving on to the next series of recursion questions. Right. So this void k in type comma int j char x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ABC. If I is greater than equal to j, ki by j comma j, put char x I modulus j. Void main k20 comma 12. Right. So now we will call this function k20 comma 12. Therefore the value of I is 20 and the value of j is 12. Right. Now we have this string of characters from 0 to 9 and then ABC. Now if I greater than equal to 12. So what do you mean by this? If 20 greater than equal to 12. So your condition is true. So if this condition is true, this is part of if and this is put char is a part of function. अगर यहाँ पे स्कोप होता तो ये भी if का पार्ट होता, ये भी if का पार्ट होता, पर यहाँ पे स्कोप नहीं लगा हुआ तो सिर्फ ये वाली स्टेटमेंट ki by j comma j is a part of f and this is not part of f. It is part of this function, right? So now 20 greater than equal to 12 condition is true. So when this condition is true, you will evaluate k20 by 12. 20 by 12 is 1 and value of j is 12, 1 comma 12. And you will also evaluate this put char x I modulus. Put char is just used to print only one character. So we are printing I modulus j. Value of I is 20. 20 modulus j is what? 20 modulus 12 is what? 8. So it will print what? X of 8 it will print, right? But before printing this we have this recursion function. So we will call this function first. Now your 1 greater than equal to 12. So 1 greater than equal to 12 if condition is false. So when you false, we will not evaluate this ki by j comma j. We will go to this put char statement and then we will evaluate x I modulus j. Value of I is 1. 1 modulus 12 is 1, right? So now सबसे पहले क्या प्रिंट हुआ है? सबसे पहले x8 नहीं प्रिंट हुआ, सबसे पहले your x1 and then x8. So value of x1 is x0, x1. So first it will print 1 and value of x8 x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, x8. x8 is 8. So answer is 1 and 8, right? Good question. Now moving on to the next question. Now we are calling this function by test 0 comma 3. So value of a is 0 and value of b is 3. So we are calling this function test 0 comma 3. Now moving ahead, a is equal to b. Value of a is 0 and value of b is 3. So this condition is false. Moving on to the else if statement. If a is greater than b, 0 greater than 3 condition is false, then we will come to this statement. Return a. Return a. Value of a is 0. 0 plus your test function a plus 1. A plus 1 is 1 comma 3. Right. So it is test 1 comma 3. Now you will call this function test 1 comma 3. Value of a is 1 and value of b is 3. This condition is false and even this condition is also false. Again you will go to the else part and it is previous wala 0 ऐसे रहने दो plus a value कितनी है 1 plus test 2 comma 3, right? Now we will call this function 2 comma 3. A is 2 and b is 3. This is false. This is false. We will go to this statement. So 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus value of a is 2. 2 plus test a plus 1 3 comma 3. Now we will call this function 3 comma 3. Value of a is 3. B is 3. So this condition is true. So it will return what? 1. So it is 1 plus 2 plus this will return what? 1. So it is 4. So answer and that 4 is returned. So the value of x is 4, right? So that's the answer. It's pretty simple, right? Okay guys, take care, bye.